Hi there. Draper tools now offer an extended range of over 40 engine timing and locking toolkits, suitable for over 2,500 engine models. Designed for the professional automotive technician, these Draper Expert quality kits offer one of the most up-to-date timing kit ranges available on the market today, and is still constantly expanding, adding simple solutions for the modern workshop. To accompany the new range, we've developed a purpose-built, easy-to-use, web-based search engine that makes finding the right kit quick and easy. The online search engine couldn't be simpler. Just visit drapertools.com/timing tools. Select a manufacturer, enter the fuel type, and finally the engine code. You'll instantly be shown the exact kit you'll need. So why waste time looking through all those catalogues and brochures? Take the easy option and use the Draper Engine Timing and Locking Tool Finder instead on drapertools.com.